Prophet at home, 17th day of Lent. Prophet Elisha sent a messenger to him, Naaman, saying, "Go, wash in the Jordan 7 times, and your flesh shall be restored, and you shall be clean." 2 Kings 5:10. Naaman said, "Now I know that there is no God in all the earth except in Israel." 2 Kings 5:15. So this is how the prophets were known for. The prophets are the spokespersons of God, the holy persons of God. Whatever God said, and they repeated or they proclaimed to others. In the similar way, we have a new prophet, Jesus, and we read at Luke 4:24-27. And Jesus said, "Truly I tell you, no prophet is accepted in the prophet's hometown. But the truth is, there were many widows in Israel in the time of prophet Elijah. Yet Elijah was sent to none of them except to a widow of Zarepath in Sidon. There were also many lepers in Israel in the time of prophet Elisha, and none of them was cleansed except Naaman the Syrian." So in this way, people rejected their prophets and they did not profit from them. But the people who accepted the prophets, either their own or from other place, and they have been healed, like Naaman the Syrian and the widow of Zarepath. But now the people of Nazareth, so they are not ready to accept Jesus as prophet, and that's why they want to kill him from the hill cliff. The new prophet Jesus is also rejected at his own hometown Nazareth, yet be a prophet at home. Thank you.